Hello, creatives! Today we are designing a fun and animated landing page for Lays in Figma. We will showcase the product with smooth prototype animations and engaging transitions to bring the design to life. So let's get started. I already have all the assets, including images, colors, and other content. First, we will take a 1400 by 800 pixel frame. Copy this yellow color using Ctrl+C and paste it into the frame using Ctrl+V. Name all these rectangles according to their colors so that it's easier to adjust later. Set the rectangle size to 175 by 100 pixels and keep 60 pixels of space in between. Now place the red, blue, green, and black packets on top of the rectangles like this. Arrange the rectangles and packets together inside the frame like this. Place the yellow packet in the center like this. Then arrange the header, logo, intro, and both buttons in this way. Then take a 500 by 500 pixel frame and give it a 1000 pixel radius. Place this frame at the corner of the main frame like this. Now arrange all the images inside this frame, one on top of another. Duplicate the frame. Select the red packet and enlarge it in the center. Select the red rectangle and resize it to fit the entire frame. Then select the remaining packets and rectangles and place them inside the frame like this. Hide the potato image on top. Duplicate the frame again, and repeat this process for the next frames. Now, it's time to prototype. Select the right button and link it to the next frame. Set the trigger to On Click, the animation to Smart Animate, the curve to Gentle, and the duration to 1200 ms. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.